welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna plan and show you kind of how I prep for the week for in our homeschool. So I forward plan each term in Notion. If you guys want to see a video about that, I can try to show you. Just full transparency, I'm very much a Notion novice. I am realizing that there is so much more you can do with that platform, and I have no idea. I can show you how I do this, but there are also lots of other videos and tutorials out there. So I input all the things for each subject, for each child, for our family subject into Notion per term. And because I have these headers, the subject, the student, the date, the participation, I can filter it by these things, and then I can choose all the things I want to be printed. What you can't see here is I have like units and just a bunch like links and all types of stuff. So this, I will print this out for the week. This is basically like my lesson planner, if you will. Okay, print this out for the week, and the way I do it is I filter it by day. I could just print out the entire week. For me, it works better if I have all of Monday, and then I can go through what do we get done, what do we need to add on to. I also like having a little space for like notes for me to update, change, go back to, evaluate, just things like that. If we maybe got halfway through with something, just like a reminder of where I need to pick up per se. And then the days that we do things, this also helps me not be overwhelmed, right? Because it's all right here. So I don't have to think on Monday, like, okay, did we do math? Did we do, all the things are right here. So this helps me so much. And then a lot of times I will put like the discussion questions or instruction or anything like that right here, because working with more than one child on different levels, the lag time in looking for things, it can be frustrating. And so to ease that, I just like having everything right here. It is so much easier to like turn a page, than go through this book or look at this lesson plan or this teacher manual or all of those things. So it is great for me. And then what I do from here, both of my kids have planners. I will say that my youngest has one because he felt left out, that his brother had one and got an entire like planner day with me. I will say though, he has been far more responsible with this than I ever imagined. This was like $4 from Walmart, and I really was just like, okay, like it's $4 for my sanity. I will take that. That's not even a Starbucks. Okay, fine. But it's worked out really, really well. So what I will do, and I'll show you, I'm about to fill it out for our upcoming week now, but this is basically what I do. I put in the things, and I try to add as much as possible, and so he can go through their copy work, their music, if we have any extracurriculars or things like that to work on. I've also been adding character trait goals, and then sometimes their dad will write a note in here as well. And then the same thing, with my oldest. Obviously his is a bit more detailed and has a bit more per subject. Now, if I was his age and I saw this, well, I don't know how I would react. My concern was that he would be overwhelmed. This actually eases the overwhelm for him so much, because what he can do is he can look at this and he can say, okay, like his brain will be like, all right, today is Monday. All right, I need to do this. And then he can say, okay, well, that's a family subject, so I need to wait for you. All right, well, can I go ahead and get started on my math? All right, or can I get started on my Grammar Galaxy? Like, he can really, really, really self-regulate. And I'm not gonna lie, it's been a game changer. Occasionally, we, as you can see, we'll go through and decorate our months and just add those up. He put pictures in. Christmas at our church, they had a game truck. So yeah, just stuff like that is the what I do. And then sorry. Another thing I do is I back plan, kind of like a journal reference. So this is like the monthly setup, if you will. This is where I brain dump, make the list, remember, anything. I put that here. Okay. This is new to me. When I had the planning day with my son, I went through and just added all of these things in. This is my first time ever doing anything like this. It is given significant amount of dopamines. I see why the girlies are about it. Okay. And so I printed out these labels for me, and I do have a mobile Bluetooth photo printer, and as you can see, it is like a journal. It's not a recording of math. It was 2 video lessons, 4 practice pages, and practice. Nope. It is a journal. Okay. And this has been so freeing for me to do all the floor planning kind of like batch style. Okay. I get it in there subject by subject, and in Notion you can have templates, and that has helped so much. So for things that kind of like don't change. So for example, Grammar Galaxy, I put that in as a template, and I'll just like keep putting it in and change today. Math, a template, keep putting it in and change the date. And so it is done really, really effectively, but very, very easily. And then, like I said, I can brain dump, and then I can like really reflect all in one place. And I love that this is like a memory book, if you will. Again, this is Schoolnest. We are Schoolnest fans over here. Okay, this is Schoolnest. And like I said, this was like $4 from the Walmart. But this is how I, plan for our week. Again, I print these out. And this is kind of like my teacher clipboard, if you will. I stole it from my son. And even here, so for like our book study, there are kind of like questions throughout, things to explore. And so I just imported in a Canva and made it kind of look like that antique, castle document feel. And I keep that here, like little printouts that we might need another one of or might add to. I just keep it all right here. Again, to decrease that, lag and search time in between. I hope this helps. Again, if you want to see how I use Notion, again, I'm gonna be really transparent and tell you, okay, I know very, very little about this platform. I'm gonna show you how I use it. And that's it. And then again, I brain dump journal in here. And I just want to let y'all know, like I said, this is new for me. I was really anti undated planners until I really saw all of what this could be, and I just needed that. I love it, but like y'all, the majority of November in here isn't even filled out. Okay, do I know that we did things? Do I know that we had family time? Yes, but the priority wasn't coming back here and filling this out. There were different priorities. So yes, if you want to see more, let me know. I'll be happy to share. And I will talk to y'all later. Have a great day. Bye.